WD-40 has 1,000 different uses. In this video, I'm going to show you how I recently used WD-40 in a not so typical way, and that is as a concrete form release for an umbrella stand which I built. I'm going to go over how I used it, how I applied it, and what I thought about the results of it, so stay tuned. What's going on, guys? My name is Matt. I'm just a dude, and like I said, recently I built a concrete umbrella stand with wheels, and if you want to see that video, I'll post a link above. In doing so, when I was shopping for materials, I forgot to pick up some form release when I was at Home Depot. Now, Home Depot is not a sponsor of this video, and neither is WD-40. But when I was in construction, we just put diesel in sprayers and sprayed down the forms with that, and that's what we used as form release from the concrete. Things have changed a little bit, and I got to the point where I was starting to pour the concrete for these forms, for these umbrella stands. I wanted to use a form release. The thing I had around the house, which I thought would work, was WD-40. So I used it twice, and it worked great both times. I just sprayed it on. The first time I had the Dobies along with the rebar inside of the form. When I sprayed it on, I just made sure to get the tops and the bottoms the best I could. Put the concrete in, let it dry. The next day, I took the forms off, and then they came off pretty easily. When I took the form off the first concrete umbrella stand, I loosened all the boards and just a quick little tap with a hammer, and it came right out. I ended up making another umbrella stand, and this time I sprayed down the form before I put the rebar and the Dobies inside of it, so I had better coverage. This form was used before. It had previously been sprayed with WD-40, and it had concrete on it as well to take up some of the voids and other things that concrete could stick on. So I just sprayed another coat of WD-40 on it, poured it, let it dry, and this time I was able to pull the concrete right out of the form without even taking all the sides off. So I think it worked pretty good. Now, I haven't used WD-40 on a big project, so I don't know how it's going to be if you're forming a slab for a shed or something even larger than that. I don't know how it would work, but for a little project like this, it worked great, and I'm probably going to use it again because I have it around the house and I don't have to buy anything new. I hope this quick tip helped you out. If you can like and subscribe, it would definitely help out the channel. My name is Matt. I'm just a dude. If I can't fix it, I'll fix it so no one else can. Thanks for watching.